Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Ambrane Neos 20,000 mAh power bank. There is an image of what this power bank is going to look like. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank. Let me tell you, this box is quite heavy. And what else is there? It's written it is made in India. We have some specifications at the back. Cell capacity is 20,000 mAh. As mentioned earlier, this is a lithium polymer type cell. Okay, this supports USB output is 2.1 ampere, which means this supports 2.1 ampere fast charging, and also has dual USB support, which means you'll be able to simultaneously charge two devices at the same time. Charging time is 12 to 14 hours. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. So here we are. These are the components of this particular box. There is a thank you note from Ambrane, and this is the user manual from Ambrane for this particular power bank. And there is also a USB-C type charger, USB-C type charging cable for the power bank. Do notice that this is a flat TPE USB-C type charging cable, which means you will not be tangling it anytime soon. Now let's take a look at the power bank itself. So this is the power bank. Okay, there you go. There is also a cloth carry pouch that comes with it. There you can see there's a carry pouch that comes with it. There's a nice touch. You'll be able to carry this power bank around very easily with this particular carry pouch. And this is what the power bank looks like. This is a dark gray colored power bank with matte black finish. This is a 20,000 mAh capacity power bank. It is very heavy. Actually not very heavy, but for something that is this small and compact, it's quite heavy. This weighs around 2 to 3 kilos at least. Over here the capacity is written 20,000 mAh capacity, and the model is called Neos. What else do we have? There's an Ambrane logo right over here. There is a okay, so here we go. There is a USB-A port and a micro USB port over here. And this is the another USB-A port and the C-type port. So this is the port that you use to charge this particular power bank. And there is your this is the power on-off button right over here. So if I press it, you should be see the LEDs are glowing, which basically means that this particular device has some power as of now. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Ambrane Neos 20,000 mAh power bank. Thank you for watching.